ass devastating. We know you like us, girl, so you better get sterile, cause we are the home chicks that are rocking your world. Supersonic. Supersonic.
Hey people, this is Flipinbean, trying out a new camera, so hopefully this all goes good. This is just an EDC update due to the fact that, like I said, I'm not going to do a review until I get my light box and the lights. So, here we'll go today. Just throwing up my lanyard from USN, showing that I am that one guy. Freaking my logo, obviously. Got this at the Emerson grand opening, and that's also showing that I'm one of the, let's see, does that focus? Yep, one of the Southern California USN members on a Widge and Whacker lanyard. They use these for duck calls, but I mean they're pretty badass by themselves. It's got all this information right there on a little aluminum tag. Come on, come on. Still playing with this thing so I can try to figure out the like I said, brand new camera, trying to figure everything out. Alright, so EDC update as usual. Cigar, this is the Gurkha Ninja. Decided to go with the slightly different cigar. The ever so popular notebook with nice Write in the Rain, you know, freaking book. I mean, what's the point of having a book if it can't be written in everywhere? So we got that. The ever popular birch. Trying to get a good logo shot of that. Like I said, I'm playing with this thing, trying to figure out its tolerances, so there you go. Like I said, the ever popular birch, and there's the number on the inside. If you can't see it, it's number 6. For fixed, later I'm going to be doing a nice cover of this. All I will say is it's an Anzo. There you go. With like a maroon micarta on a sheet that I'm not going to release yet. Obviously, iPhone, multi-tool, leather and mutt. These aren't too unfamiliar. Shark skin leather wallet. Oh, figured you guys might like this also. That's how you do it. If I was going into combat, that's how you do it. Had that custom made. Ever popular Kubaton. And just a little announcement. I mean, send your freaking video responses in. I've got a few. I want to give everybody a fair shot at this. Since I still haven't gotten the Razel yet, I want everybody to have a shot at it. So, this until I say stop, send them away. Alright, people. You have a good morning. This is Flipinbean out.